Car shoppers often wonder if it's possible to order a car directly from the factory. The answer is yes. In fact, about 15% of all buyers special order their vehicles. But the truth is, you can't actually order a vehicle yourself. You still need to do it through a dealer. So I have advantages and disadvantages to both. Obviously, one of the biggest advantages to special ordering a vehicle is that you'll get to equip it with the exact options and colors that you desire. Some types of vehicles, such as pickup trucks, Ford for example, come with so many different options and configurations that it's impossible for a dealer to stock them all. Obviously, you may have a difficult time finding some obscure option installed on the car that you want, and special ordering may be the only way to get that done. Another benefit to ordering your car directly is that the dealer may offer you a better deal. It's an easy sale for them, and they won't have to incur any financing costs for keeping the car in their inventory on their lot. This is especially true if you're wanting a hot-selling car that is in high demand. If you're willing to special order it and wait for delivery, you'll likely get a better deal. Now, disadvantages. One of the biggest issues with ordering a car from the factory is the wait time. It can sometimes take several months to get the car delivered, and oftentimes you won't have any idea when that will be. In worst case scenarios, the union may go on strike and shut down production. That's worst case scenario. You could end up waiting a few extra weeks or even months. You don't want that. Another disadvantage is that you may not get the same incentives being offered at the time you placed your order. Incentives are applied when the car is delivered. So if the manufacturer decides to discontinue their rebates while your car is being built, you, my friend, are out of luck. If you have a trade-in, the car will likely have to be reappraised when the new vehicle that you are ordered is delivered. If the wait time has been months, your used car may have dropped in price by a good amount. So I recommend that you don't involve a trade-in if you're going to order a car from the factory. Finally, special ordering is usually limited to domestic brands, usually. You can order a foreign car, but the dealer will simply try to fill your order with the closest match instead of actually having your car custom built at the factory. BMW is an exception. They're currently testing out made-to-order vehicles for some of their models. Or you could do what I did and order a Tesla online, which I will produce a new video on that in the coming days. So if you have any suggestions on future car ideas for videos, let me know, and I will do my best to research those topics and bring it to you very soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Hey, I want to let you know about a new feature on EverymanDriver.com. It's a car payment calculator you can use anytime when you're trying to figure out what your potential loan amount is and the monthly payment figure. So what you do is you type in the vehicle price, your down payment, trade-in figure, sales tax, interest rate, and the term of the loan. Click calculate, and then you'll figure out the loan amount and the monthly payment. It's a free tool now available on EverymanDriver.com.